everyone, so in this quick tip video I'm going to show you how to safely piggyback into your fuse box using, in my case, the cigarette switch, because you can have it permanent feed or ignition feed. Okay, I'm going to use one of these piggybacks with a couple of fuses into fuse 68 on my car in this case, which is the cigarette lighter one. So if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button down here, give us a thumbs up and continue to watch. Thanks. Okay, so if you want to add an extra power line to your fuse box without tapping any wires, what you need to do is get some of these. These are piggyback lines for some fuses, 15 amp. Okay. Okay, so for this, if you need to tap into your power, okay, we went ignition on or off for external, like say to power an amp, to power some internal lighting, a USB port, etc, etc. What you need to do is you need to tap in to this one here, which is fuse 68. This is the fuse. When it's up like this, as you can see here, okay, that means it's ignition off. So when you power off the car, it's dead, there's no power getting through it. Whereas if you add it down the bottom here, flip the other way, it's permanent live. So by having it up the top, it's switchable live. So you remove this fuse here, like so. On your piggyback, you plug your fuses in. A bit stiff, but they do go in. Get another fuse pack. All the bits I use, I'll post links to. And you push that in. So there's two in. Then you get this end and you plug it in and then tap in what you want there. In my case, I'm going to use this to power up some extra lighting in the car. Let's turn this up the other way. So now you've got an extra fuse here, so you can power up from there. So I'm going to run off of there to my external lighting, and that's how you tap into your power source safely using your cigarette wire. I've got that in the up position, which is switchable. If you flip that down a socket, so it's below here, that's permanent live. So I've got it on ignition switch, so when you power down the car, it turns off. So I'm going to use this to power up some interior lighting. So when I turn the car off, it shuts everything down. You can also use it to power up amps remotely, so they shut off. And yeah, thanks for watching.